Hey guys, welcome to 4.01 negative and zero exponents. So here we will dive into how to simplify negative and zero exponents. So let's start off by trying to create a pattern within these numbers that are given to us. So I think all of these are missing a power. So let's work together to find their power, see if there's a pattern, and then see if we could apply that pattern for the future. So 3 to the something gives me 3. So if it's just a number itself, it'll be 3 to the 1 power. So this will be 3 to the 1 is, 3 to the 1 is equal to 3. Because 3 is equal to 3. Alright, 3 to the what power gives me 9. If you thought 3 squared, you are correct, because we have 3 times 3 equals 9. Alright, I think we might start to see a pattern from here. 3 to the what power gives you 27. Let's see. I think that would be 3 to the third. Because you have 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. And that means the last one that we have for the top is 3 to the fourth gives me 81. Because we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 81. Remember that this is not 3 times 4. This is not 12. So do not do that. It is not 3 times 4. It's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. A total of 4 times. Alright. So if we extend this pattern, let's see, going down, I notice that the exponents are going from greatest, or they are decreasing with each level, right? So 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1, this one would be 3 to 0. And after 0, 0 minus 1 would be negative 1, and then negative 2. Alright, so how do I know what 3 to the 0 is? If I don't know what it is and I don't have a calculator, is there a certain pattern that I have that I can figure this out? So let's see. If I were to go from 81 to 27, what operation would I have to do to get to 27? That is correct. I would have to divide by 3. So 81 divided by 3 gives me 27. Okay, let's see if the rule holds. So that means that going from 27 to 9, I would have to do what? That is correct. Also divide by 3. 27 divided by 3 gives us 9. Alright, continuing the pattern. 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. That means if I want to find what 3 to 0 is, that means I'm going to do 3 divided by 3, and that's going to give me 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Ooh, and here's where it gets fun. What if I have 3 to the negative 1? So I'm still continuing the pattern of decreasing exponents. So I'm still going to apply the same rule by dividing by 3. So 1 divided by 3 will give me 1 over 3. And that means in order to find 3 to the negative 2, that means I will continue to divide by 3. So 1/3 divided by 3 is the same as 1/3 times 1 over 3, which is just 1 over 9. Multiplying across gives me 1 over 9. So 3 to the negative 2 gives me 1 over 9. Alright, we'll see if we can find a pattern later on. So this whole part was to show you that anything to the 0 exponent is 1. So 0 as an exponent. For every non-zero a, the base cannot be 0. For every non-zero a, anything to the power of 0 is 1. But the only rule is that a cannot be 0. You cannot have 0 to the 0. This would be undefined. Careful, 0 to 0 is undefined. But anything else to the 0 power will give us 1.